Welcome to the Magic of Math, where today we're going to distribute to compare expressions. Let's go. Here's our question today. We have a teacher who wrote this expression on the board, 40A subtract 16B. We're asked which of the following are equivalent to the expression the teacher wrote, and we are asked to select the two equivalent expressions from this list of 5 expressions. So here's where I'm going to have you pause the video, make your 2 answer choices, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So again, we're finding 2 equivalent expressions to 40A subtract 16B from these 5 answer choices. We have 40A and negative 16B. These are not like terms. Like terms must have the same variable raised to the same exponent. A and B are 2 different variable terms. Therefore, this is written in simplest form and we cannot simplify it any further. So we cannot subtract these. We need to leave the expression written like this. Now looking here below, I can see that I need to use the distributive property there, but I'm going to eliminate answer choice A because I can see that this is one term and there's no way to rewrite that. So 24AB is one term that has an AB term to it, and this has an A term and a B term in our variable terms. So we can eliminate E. So now we have 4 to pick from. Let's distribute so that we can simplify and check. So we're going to multiply 4 times 10A, which is 40A. Then we're going to do 4 times negative 16B. 4 times negative 16 is negative 64 times B. So we can see that this is negative 64B and not equivalent to negative 16B. Down to 3 answer choices. All right, let's distribute in B. We're going to do 4 times 10A, which again is 40A. Then 4 times negative 4B. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16 times the B. 40A subtract 16B is equivalent. So we know that answer choice B is one of our 2 equivalent expressions. All right, let's distribute in C. We're going to do 8A times 5. 8 times 5 is 40 times A. Then we're going to do 8A times negative 2. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16 times the A. These are like terms. They have the same variable to the same exponent. There's an invisible 1 right here. So we can subtract these. 40 subtract 16 is going to give us 24A. So therefore, we know that 24A is not equivalent to 40A subtract 16B. So hopefully when we do our math, D is equivalent because that's our last answer choice. So let's distribute. 8 times 5A is going to be 40A. 8 times 5 is 40 times A. Then 8 times negative 2B. 8 times negative 2 times B is negative 16B. And that is equivalent. So we can see our second equivalent expression is answer choice D. So there you have it. That is how we distribute to compare a variable expression and determine equivalent expressions. And that's the magic of math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll come back soon.